Yinker HDMI KVM series is a common solution with 4K at 30 Hz, is more stable and cost-effective for ordinary users and server managers. Package comes with the professional HDMI and USB 2-in-1 integrated KVM cable, minimizing cable mess. Yinker also offers KVM cable in various lengths. Alongside the USB hubs for keyboard and mouse, an additional USB 2.0 hub is built for devices like USB printers, USB speakers or U-discs. USB camera is not supported. 2-port KVM and 4-port KVM can satisfy needs for homework and office. 8-port KVM and 16-port KVM can settle for studio and server room. The package includes everything you need for installation. Yinker also offers the VGA KVM series and LCD KVM series. Get audio and video solutions on Yinker Amazon page.